what's going on? I hope you're all good. It's Sunday here and I hope everyone is blessed. I'm just heading out, just gonna go create, shoot, take some pictures, enjoy the transition of the seasons. You know, we're in autumn now, clocks are going back. It's a Sunday and it has a different kind of an energy, a different kind of vibe to it. You probably know what I mean. Clear my mind, you know, new week starting and I just want it to be fresh. Can't always wait for the work to come to us as well when we want to create. Sometimes you can just go local, create, shoot. It doesn't have to be anything planned. Just go out and create. Remember why we do what we do and love what we love. I finally made it to Hampstead Heath. I don't even know what's here, what I can do, where I can skate, but I'm gonna make the most of it. I'll bring you with me, and while I'm here, I'll probably share some things that I've learned before turning 30. So tip number one, or thing number one, will be pack less. No, I'm joking. I thought the first thing I would share is you don't have to have it all figured out. I find the more I go through life, I have goals, plans, things that I want to achieve and do, and I think, oh, when I get to this point I'll do this. It's just knowing. You don't have to put that pressure on yourself or thinking and knowing that you need to have it all figured out. You know, there's this illusion and this pressure that, you know, sometimes life puts on us and we put on ourselves at most times. But you don't have to have it all figured out. Life is a journey, life is an experience, and you learn every day. You experience new things. So you don't need to pressure yourself and think, oh, I need to do this, oh, by 30 this, and I ain't got this figured out, or I don't have this dream job, or, you know, dumb stuff, things that really don't even matter. That's more so what it is. Oftentimes we're caught up with the things that don't matter, and we've got one shot, one moment in this life, you know. So I'm heading to some point in the park called the Hollow Tree. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but I'm just gonna go check it out. The interactive nature and that. Kind of beautiful here though. Like being in London, having these views. It almost feels like you ain't in London, but because it's so busy here, you know you're definitely still in London. I don't know where I'm going. You might can't even see because of my screen protector, but yeah, it's that way if you can see. Trail, but it's an adventure without. Pray for me, guys, because I ain't trying to get lost in the quicksand. You know those movies, you just end up in the mud and it just swallows you up. I ain't trying to let that be me, not today. Everything's done. Well, the second thing I want to talk about is from the ages 20 to 30, honestly, you will change so much. I thought like when you hit 21, you kind of feel like you're grown, like for guys, you know, like you're a big man, this. Then you realize, rod, you know, there's still more life to this. You get to like 23, I don't know, to 25. And then from there you realize again, okay, you're still young, but now you're kind of feeling more like an adult. You know, I made many adult decisions and stuff in my early 20s, none which I regret, but all helped me be who I am today. But what I'm basically trying to say is you honestly change so much that it kind of ties in with the first point. You don't need to have it all figured out, because you're going to change. The things that you think you know about yourself, about other people, you're going to realize that you actually don't. And you're going to find that out. You change so much. I thought I really knew myself, and I really do, but I really feel like I'm learning. I'm getting to the final stages of that process. Anyway, as a guy, I feel like when you get near to 30, late 20s, that's when you really start to mature and, you know, become a man, you know. I feel for men, we peak much differently and much older. Listen, life is a mad experience, and you're gonna change and grow, so embrace it. Embrace the growth is what I'm basically trying to say. Man, dogs and that, but someone just let the dog run right over and drench my flipping dead cat. The people noticed and they gave me a tissue to wipe it off, so I'll take it back. I didn't say anything bad though. You about the next point, and that next point is there is no competition. There's no competition, none at all, not even with yourself. I know sometimes we say that, and there's a bit of truth to that, but you know, if you're always trying to compete with yourself and to do something different, when are you truly going to be happy with who you are? Don't try and compete and outdo yourself yesterday. Just be you, do what you want to do, obviously with wisdom, be wise. Do you, do what you want to do. Do not compete with yourself. You can just get stuck in this cycle and like you're just competing and you don't even know why. So don't even worry about that too much. So there's literally like no competition, like literally none. So don't try and compete with yourself, with anyone else. Be who you was created to be. Love yourself. Don't feel pressure. And you got this, man. I don't know what else to say, but you got this. Do any of you guys actually edit videos on your iPad or anything? Sometimes I rarely do it if I'm on the go and I just want to drop something real quick, but I'd rather just get to my laptop because I just feel I've got full control and flexibility to do that. So let's talk about point number 4, and that's looking after your mental health. So I know that word's used quite a lot nowadays and we're hearing it around, and it's probably not what you think it is to be. It's more so just, you know, peace of mind, looking after your mental, making sure you're feeling good, making sure you're okay, making sure you're not stressed out. All of that is a part of your mental health, and that's something that's very important. How I see it is kind of just like taking time out to make sure you're okay and to recognize that, you know, sometimes we put on these masks or these shells. We can't let anyone know we're not okay or things ain't all right, but it's okay to be okay. It's okay for things not to be so good. You can talk about it. It's not crazy or what you probably think it is. It's just simply just making sure that you're okay. We spend a lot of time in our heads, so let's make it a pleasant experience. We don't have to worry about this or worry about that or what something could be or what it ain't. Let's just take the time out and identify things that could be troubling us, noting that and making a change. So as I walk back to my car, time is tight, I want to get back and watch the match. United all the way. Didn't even get to journal. Got some decent shots, did get to clear my mind and create, which I always love. So yes, point number 5, investing in your future. You know, that's an important thing. I know we're 20s, we're still young and we got the whole world ahead of us. We really do. But don't neglect it, you know, take that time to make some meaningful decisions. Investing ain't only like financial decision making, partners, if you're in a relationship, someone you'll marry, obviously you've got financial side, investing, buying stocks, spending your money wisely, buying a property, thinking about those things there. Don't neglect that stuff, because I'm telling you, time does come around quick, and that's not something that you want to have forgotten or not have done. It's just a simple everyday lifestyle and habits that can really make that happen. You don't need to have X amount of money and to just dump it all in. You can just be something over a period of time. You get a lot of these gurus online and people saying, yeah, if you do this and buy this crypto and this thing and whatever. And I'm not saying not to do those things and whatnot, but what am I saying? I'm just basically saying is make conscious decisions about your everyday things, from the things that you eat to the things that, I don't know, you wear, how you spend your money, where you spend it. You know, you can buy a brand new iPhone every year, or you can keep the same one for 2-3 years, and those other 2-3 years where you'll normally buy an iPhone, you can use that to invest and buy Apple stocks. I'm not gonna go too much into that, like I said, I'm not no investing guru or anything like that, but it's just kind of some practical tips. And I think they're important reasons. It's things that I've learned. Everyone's different, everyone in life has their own journey. Find your journey and be on your path. But these are some things that helped me, so I'm just sharing them. Hopefully they can help you. Back to the car. I'm gonna load up this match and head back. But guys, I honestly think that's it for now. I don't think I've missed anything. If you ain't following me on Instagram, hit me up. I'm posting dope content. So follow me, let's connect. Have a blessed day, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.